Start eating onion every day. See what will happen to your body. The wonder plant called onion is not matched in its many benefits to man. With the scientific name Allium cepa, it has a number of amazing cooking varieties. Known to every cook to induce tears, this plant, originally grown in Egypt and the Middle East, is unknown in the wild. This healing herb is speculated by botanists to have been cultivated for at least 7,000 years. It comes in different varieties within the species, varying in color, size, and taste. It matures and is usually harvested at the end of the first year. Grown all over the world, its characteristic flavor and smell is derived from the sulfur compound in the bulb. It is rich in minerals including sulphur, iron, potassium, manganese and phosphorus, fluorine and calcium. It also contains vitamins A, B, C, and E, flavonoids which help prevent cancer, and glycoquine, an anti-diabetic. As a vegetable, it can be eaten raw, grated, boiled, or pickled, while it is a favorite seasoning in cuisines from Asia to Europe, the Americas, and Africa. Onion as medicine is known worldwide, and the ailments it is claimed to treat are equally numerous. Although recent studies have shown that adequate concentrations of bioactive compounds are in the young stem, the medicinal compounds reside in the bulb of the plant. Dried bulbs can be crushed into a powder for herbal medicine. However, eating it raw is of great value too. Consequently, its health benefits are as follows. Onion purifies and strengthens the liver and kidneys. It also cleanses the blood. This herb is a natural antibiotic as it strengthens the immune system, thus keeping disease at bay. It effectively controls bacteria that cause urinary infections, typhoid fever and dysentery, skin infections and blemishes, staphylococcus and streptococcus, which cause inflammation of the genital organs and damage sperm cells. Can you believe all that? In addition, essential oils from onion have proven active against a variety of fungal infections such as Candida. This yeast actually occurs naturally on the body, yes. This is true, and an overgrowth of this noxious fungus could result in problematic infections of the skin, the urinary and digestive system. The World Health Organization recognizes onion as a folk remedy for health issues such as bruises, colic, colds, and high blood pressure. Also, it helps men with weak erection or low libido, as well as in cases of impotence. Onion is rich in enzymes that help in the production of blood. Why don't you grab a bulb of onion regularly for that boost to your sex life? A. Onion is considered for therapeutic use in modern medicine as it has been investigated as possible medicine for the treatment of diabetes, cancer, and HIV. Blood cells are strengthened when onion is a part of diet, and microorganisms which weaken cells and cause bacterial and viral infections are destroyed. Can you beat that? When combined with other herbs, it can lower blood sugar levels, thereby preventing diabetes. Eating onion regularly is a natural way to reduce sugar in blood due to its hypoglycemic or anti-diabetic properties. As a matter of fact, onion's ability to regulate blood sugar in the case of diabetes is supported by clinical evidence. An Indian study of early-stage diabetic patients showed that those who ate more raw onion required a significantly reduced amount of anti-diabetic medication to manage diabetes. Furthermore, onion has been proven to lower noxious cholesterol levels in the blood. This is possible because it is rich in fibrinolytic substances that help to break up blood clots and to prevent coagulation, thickening of blood. Anti-inflammatory agents present in onion help in inhibiting several inflammatory enzymes, thereby successfully treating skin allergies, as well as bronchitis caused by allergies, with ethanol onion extract. It's no secret that fibroids, tumors such as in breast cancer, and infertility among women may be treated with onion, which helps in dissolving tumors. If you live a hyperactive lifestyle and are faced with stressful situations at work, then you may need to include onion regularly in your diet. In today's world, it is quite obvious that we are daily exposed to electromagnetic waves such as radio and microwaves. Our bodies receive daily doses of this all too common aspect of our lives from electric shavers, television, cell phones, computers, and so on. This is claimed to be dangerous in high doses. Scary, isn't it? What all that does is affect your brain and result in stress, tiredness, headaches, and insomnia, only worsened by drugs which will give only temporary relief. Add a few cups of coffee and you will find that it becomes a cycle that you can't break. Well, here comes onion to the rescue. Just blend 4 bulbs of onion with 1 liter of honey. Take 3 dessert spoonsful 3 times a day, and it will help reduce the activities of the stress-causing agents. However, onion does have some side effects when used as herbal remedy. Anyone on blood-thinning medication or medication for high blood pressure needs to consult a medical practitioner before significantly increasing their intake of this herb. That onion can treat this voluminous list of diseases and conditions to an extent is skeptical, but some sense can be made of it if they are grouped into categories corresponding to modes of action in which onion can bring relief. What this means is onion could cause a general positive reaction in the body through its action in certain areas of the body, promoting recovery in some conditions. As a matter of fact, onion demonstrates several different modes of action, largely due to the organosulfur compounds in it. These actions include 1. Antimicrobial, bacteria, viruses, fungi. 2. Regulation of blood sugar. 3. Blood thinning. 4. Antioxidant and/or anti-inflammatory. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more health-related videos.